In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open Start menu and go to Settings. Now, navigate to Personalization. Click on the Colors option. There you will find the Transparency Effects option. Switch it on. And you're done. The taskbar will become translucent now. There you have it. Making taskbar transparent in Windows 11 is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.